Meet StrongSoil, a powerful, all-natural biofertilizer designed to restore soil biology and stimulate plant growth from the ground up. So how is StrongSoil made? It all starts with one of nature's richest biological sources, layer hen manure. The gut of a modern layer hen is like a microscopic rainforest, dense, diverse, and teeming with microbial life. We combine this with another biological powerhouse, black soldier fly larvae. These larvae naturally break down waste and eliminate harmful pathogens while preserving beneficial microbes. That means StrongSoil starts clean and stays clean. Using our patented natural biorefining process, we blend, heat treat, and filter this mixture to concentrate the live beneficial organisms. Through a series of carefully controlled steps, including moisture reduction and targeted microbial selection, we remove unwanted pathogens, stabilize the product, and maximize the density and diversity of the active microbes. This allows us to deliver key functional microbial groups in every batch, ready to go to work in the soil. We then dry and granulate StrongSoil into a shelf-stable form that's easy to store, mix, and apply, whether you're in the tank or directly on seed. The result? A scientifically validated non-GMO and pathogen-free biofertilizer designed to improve soil health, boost crop resilience, and support your bottom line.